something about a cup of tea that can take you to a different place. You feel like you're by the fire on a cozy winter day. Maybe a little zip in your step. You're looking for that zing on a spring morning. Here to talk about the goodness of tea and really the magic of tea properties is Donna McCafferty of the Tea Can Company. A really interesting business idea, Donna, as well as something that really is for individuals' health. Tell me about the magic of tea.
Tea has different holistic values. You have green tea that's very detoxing. You have a breakfast tea that wakes you up. You have tea that curbs your hunger, cleanses your body. There's different teas for different people. There's flavor teas, after dinner tea.
Beautiful. Now this idea though began as a college project for you.
It did.
And so tell me about this. If we take a look at this, I think is really interesting. She came up with this idea called University, and it's a logoed concept. Tell me about that.
It is. We bought the logo. We bought the rights to the word university. When I was in college, we did the project. I thought it was a great idea, and it was always on my mind. We took it to another level. Now we're selling in bookstores. We have the mini tins for more of a holistic reason, and we have the tall tins for a gift item.
Beautiful. And again, the concept of the packaging is really interesting. And take a look at this. Tell us about the 10 teas, though, that you offer.
We have 10 flavors, basically something for everyone and everything. There's detox, there's green tea, there's mango, there's raspberry, there's teas that are decaffeinated.
Beautiful. Now, also, another concept here is a traditional labeling, but then you can also customize it. I'm very excited to see that you customized it for CBS 3.
We customized your own tea here.
So tell me about that as a gift idea.
We can customize any tea can for weddings and events or holidays, fundraisers. We took your logo. All we need is a logo and a good idea. We can make it work for whatever your needs are. Beautiful.
And again, the gift basket concept is really fabulous if you have like a specialty project or a party coming up.
Yes, exactly. We have, this particular one's for Easter. We have Mother's Day, Valentine's Day.
Beautiful. So tea, it is a drink for everybody at all times. So Donna made some tea. I'm going to do the pouring today. Here we are. May I pour for you?
Thank you.
And what's your favorite?
My favorite is British breakfast tea. I'm like the all basic tea. I drink green tea all day long, and I use the detox to cleanse my body.
Beautiful. I love that. All right, so cheers to you.
Cheers to you.
And to all of our friends who love tea or want to love tea. For more on the Tea Can Company, you can go to cbsphilly.com and click on to Talk Philly. We're coming right back.